Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well out there today. So I'm back with another lick lesson, and this one is in the key of D minor. I'll post the backing track and the tab below so you can have a go yourself. It's at 100 BPM, pretty nippy. It's got some hybrid picking, some legato, and some nice flowing lines in it, so I thought I'd share that with you. So before I break down the lick, please, if you do like what I do, hit that subscribe button below and ring that bell so it lets you know when I'm uploading. Please give the thumbs up a like and write a comment. What did you make of this video? What have you made of my previous videos? What would you like to see more of in the future? Okay, so this lick itself is in the key of D minor. Like I said, the track and the tab will be available with the Dropbox link below, so you can click on that and feel free to have a go yourself. So the lick, I'll play it slow. So I'll set the metronome to 80 BPM now, and just so you can get the lick and digest it a bit easier. Okay, so that was it in isolation, a tad slower, just so you can see what was going on a bit easier. Now the lick starts on the 3rd fret on the low E string, and I hammer on with the 3rd finger on the 6th fret, okay? So if I'm looking at this in terms of intervals against the D, this would be my 4, hammering onto the flat 6. Then with my middle finger, I'm hitting the 5th fret on the A string. So we have... And then I hybrid pick the 3rd fret on the D string, okay? I'm hybrid picking with my middle finger on my right hand. And then I hammer onto the 7th fret on that D string as well. So far. Pick, hammer, pick, hybrid pick, hammer. So you might just want to isolate that lick to start with and just try and repeat it. So I'm really not picking hard here, and I'm hybrid picking. If you notice, it's the same volume as my pick. That's a really good thing to try and do. So pick, hammer, pick, hybrid pick, hammer. Notice I'm not going, I'm not really chicken picking that note. The hybrid picking, I'm really trying to keep even with that pick. So we got this. Then with a little finger, I am sliding to my flat 6 of D, which is going to be on the 8th fret on the D string. So this lick starts on the beat, I forgot to say, on beat 1. So we have... So after that slide to the 8th fret on the D string, okay, my flat 6 of D, I hybrid pick then on the G string on the 5th fret with my 1st finger in my left hand. So I then climb up, picking the D string on the 7th fret, so that'd be my 5th of D. Then with my 3rd finger, I'm picking that on the 8th fret on the A string, which is my flat 3, and then pulling off to the D. So we have... So you might want to just isolate that for a tiny bit, and just to try and get that really nice and flowing. Okay, as I pull off to that 5th fret, my root on the A string, I then hammer onto the 7th fret on the A string, and then hammer onto the 8th fret on the A string, okay? So I'm going root, 2nd, flat 3. I then come to the D string on the 7th fret, I pick that, then I hybrid pick the 5th fret on the G string. As I do that, I hammer onto the 9th fret on the G string. So this would be my flat 7 to my 2nd or my 9th again. So far, before we get too far ahead. So I'll try and call out what I'm doing pick-wise and hybrid picking in my right hand as I play. Pick, hammer, pick, hybrid pick, hammer, slide, hybrid pick, 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 pull off, hammer, hammer, pick, hybrid pick, hammer. Hopefully I said that right. So we've got... Okay, now as I hammer onto that 9th fret, I then pull back off to that 5th fret and then hammer 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it's 4 notes per string there. I I then come to the B string and hit 6, and it's the same shape but just on a higher string on the B, and then a fret across as well. So we have, so that's 6, hammer to 10, pull back off to 6, 8, 9, 10. And as you see here, I talk about this a lot, where I lift the first finger off slightly. I don't plant my first finger and do this. I go, see my first finger has come up a bit? So that's the technique you want to use here to get some smooth legato playing. So when I get to that G string, okay, that line is hybrid picked, okay? Then when I come to the B string, that's picked. So all together so far. Okay, so when I get to the E string now, this next part, I go 6, 10, 9, 8, 6, slide down to 5. So this is all picked here. Like I said, on this G string, I hybrid pick, pick, and now I'm picking all this. Alternate picking actually here. So it got 6, 10, 9, 8, 6, slide down to 5 here. Then I go 6 on the B string, 7 on the G string, pull off to 5 on that G string. Okay, so we have, I then string skip, so then I have the 8th fret on the A string, back up to the 5th fret on the G, hybrid picking here, so we have, I then pick back on that 8th fret that I'm already on, so I've got 8, pull off to 7 with my 3rd finger, pull off to 1 on the D note, which is on the A string. So we have, for that little phrase here, after pulling off to that 5th fret, I then slide into that 7th fret, okay, right away. So it's hammer to 8 with my middle finger, then I'm on to 7 on the D string, 7 on the G string, hammer to 9 on the G string then. Okay, so let me go from the top a minute, and then I will go from that high E string part, because that's where it gets a bit tricky. So we have, that's where we got to. So we got, after that hammer onto the 9th fret on the G string, which is my 2nd of D, or the 9th, I then slide to the 10th fret on the G string. So it's got that little movement going. I then go to the 8th fret on the B string, hammer with my middle finger here to the 10th fret on the B, and then pick 8, hammer to 12 to finish it off on the high E. That's it. I say that's it like it's easy, but it's a tricky lick, guys. Okay, so really slow it down. I put it to 80 to start with in isolation there, but you may even want to go slower than that. Okay, so I just thought I'd share that with you today. I came up with it this morning, thought I'd put the camera on and record it, and yeah, let you guys have a go. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, ringing that bell, and give this video a thumbs up and write a comment. Hopefully you enjoy that one. This is a definite lick that will get your chops up and technique going. It's got some hammers, it's got some pulls, it's got some hybrid picking, it's got a bit of everything, and alternate picking as well, which is a bit of a rarity from me nowadays. So yeah, enjoy. Like I say, free tab and backing track below for you to have it a go at. Cheers guys, and I'll see you on the next one.